Let's now get you some updates from Russia. The country has reported more than 10,000 coronavirus cases for 5 days in a row. That's more than 50,000 cases recorded in just 5 days. Russia is now the fifth most affected country in the world from this pandemic. The number of confirmed cases went up by 11,231 over the last 24 hours alone. Now that is a rise in cases by more than 10,000 for the fifth consecutive day. The latest spike takes the total number of cases to more than 177,000. Latest reports from the Russian government have confirmed that 88 new deaths have been reported, taking the total death toll to 1,625. This is the lowest death toll for a country in the top 10 worst affected countries in the world from this disease. Now, cases have been registered in all of Russia's 85 regions, but more than half of all deaths and cases have been in Moscow. Over the last 24 hours, 6,700 cases were detected in the city, and the citywide lockdown in Moscow has now been extended till May 31st. Moscow and other Russian regions are in their sixth week of lockdown. In a recent video meet with the governors, Russian President Vladimir Putin warned against any haste in removing preventive measures. But he offered full support to easing some restrictions in Moscow despite the rise in cases. In Moscow, the first phase of lifting the lockdown measures is set to begin on May 12th. Industries and construction work will resume. However, both Putin and Moscow's mayor decided that it is still premature to open up the services sector. It will remain under lockdown till May 31st. But some shops will open. Outdoor walking and exercise could also be allowed. On the global stage, Russia has surpassed France and Germany in the total number of cases, and now it sits behind the United Kingdom. Russia's mortality rate is low compared to other severely affected countries in the world. As of now, Russia's death rate due to this virus stands at 0.9%, and that is significantly lower than Britain's 14.9% mortality rate. However, several medical experts are now claiming that Russia's mortality rate is in fact much lower, as the government is hiding the true number of cases.